Hello friends, today we're going to be installing a tailgate shock or damper or strut, if you will, that's going to go on the side of the truck. It fits the 2015 and up F150s, and what it does is it slows the tailgate from crashing down when you're trying to let it down slowly. It's kind of heavy, and I've had several instances where it's fallen and made a clunky noise, and since it's a base model truck and not one of the really fancy ones, that's not a standard feature. We're going to show you how to quickly and easily add this really nice looking shock support to make your tailgate work a little easier and make you a happier Ford owner. This kit is the second one I bought, and it's way better than the first one. This one comes with everything you need. You're going to take those two bolts out right there and put the lower bracket on, like so. It comes with a 10mm breaker bar type wrench. I decided to use the ratchet handle that I already had for it, but the 10mm thing they give you works just fine. The thing that didn't work just fine is the star bit tip that they gave you. That was very weak and unable to provide the torque needed to remove this latch mechanism. So again, I had my own special Torx socket I used. This one here just wasn't good enough, and we put the upper bracket behind the tailgate latch. Used the special Torx bit and tightened it back down after we were done. Connect the stopper cable. You see there's like a big opening in it, and it matches the size of the latch mechanism. You slide it up, clip it over, and pull down snugly to secure it. Now we're going to snap the support shock into place on the bottom and then on the top. And look at that. I like this one. It's heavier duty than the first one I tried. It matches the color of the truck, and it looks really nice. But the proof is in how it works. And you set this thing up, release it and let it go. It drops about 2 or 3 inches and then gradually eases itself down at a nice slow rate without any banging or clanking or jostling. It's really great. I highly recommend this part. Get it, you'll be happy. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and bye for now.